Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, an updated Windows 10/11 or Mac OS, and a signed-in Microsoft account. Once done, open the Microsoft Store on Windows or the App Store on Mac and search for Microsoft To Do. You're doing this to get the official desktop client, which syncs tasks across devices. Make sure to use the same account you use on your phone. This step avoids duplicate lists and sync errors and gets you ready to install immediately. Now click Install or Get and wait for the download to finish. Once the app is installed, launch Microsoft To Do and grant permissions for notifications and background sync so your tasks stay current. Sign in with your Microsoft account. This links lists and reminders. Make sure to customize sync frequency in settings if you need faster updates. If you use multiple accounts, pick the one with your primary lists to avoid fragmentation. That completes setup and prepares you for subtle tweaks. Finish by pinning Microsoft To Do to your taskbar or dock for fast access, and enable desktop notifications so reminders pop up when needed. You can also choose light or dark theme and arrange your lists to match your workflow. If something goes wrong, try signing out and signing back in. That often forces a full sync. Also verify your network and that the Microsoft account is active. If the app still won't sync, restart the computer and reopen the app to refresh services.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.